Power of Small. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako ulit yung brother nyo, si Brother Jess, Pure Love Heals. Right. Our episode for tonight is entitled The Power of Small. Alright. Meron ba talagang power yung maliit? Small? Okay. Tayo po madalas, pag sinasabing meron lang tayong small na ganito, hindi natin na-appreciate. Kasi what's being appreciated is the big things. Grande. Alright, pag maliit, na-underestimate natin. Kung anong maliit na meron tayo, na-underestimate natin. But, let's focus on the story of the gospel of today, Sunday. Sunday ngayon eh. Right, June 22, 2025. Yung gospel ngayon is feeding of the 5,000 people. Alright? So, paano napakain yung 5,000 people? Right? Meron lang pong 5 tinapay, 5 loaves of bread, at 2 isda. Pero, kung titingnan natin, no, malayong mapakain yung 5,000 with 5 loaves of bread at 2 fish. Pero po, meron pong nagkaroon ng heart na i-offer yung maliit ng tinapay niya at yung 2 isda. I-offer, tas na-bless po ito ni Jesus. At ayun, from that small things, napakain yung napakaraming tao. More than 5,000 men. Tapos, according to the story, pinulot nila yung mga naiwan and nakaipon pa sila ng more than 12 baskets of leftovers. Alright, so why am I sharing this story? Because madalas we neglect anong meron tayo. Nakafocus tayo dun sa malaki na wala tayo. Pero po, pag in-offer po natin yung meron tayo, kahit gaano kaliit, when it's offered to the Lord, si Lord na pong bahala mag-multiply nito. Alright? If you want another story, the story of David. The story of David. Sino ba si David? Compared sa Goliath. Right? Sino si David? Compared sa Goliath. Malaki. Right? Pero natalo na yung Goliath. Bakit? David did not rely on his own powers, but he asked God to be with him in his battle with Goliath. Anong implication yan sa atin today? Marami tayong Goliath sa buhay. Yung mga problema natin, ang dami. But let's not forget, kahit ganito tayo kaliit, there's God who's bigger than our problems. Let's offer our worries, our problems to God. At walang malaki sa Diyos. Walang malaking problema sa Diyos. Alright? The power of small. There's always the power of small when offered to God. Thank you very much.